Shopify Back in Stock app tutorial. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can create custom notification to notify the customers about an item that has been out of stock, and also you have brought it live on your website or your store. So all you need to do is to allow here me to present you this tutorial and follow it from the beginning till the end, and you are going to be good to go. The first thing that you need to do is to head over shopify.com. Then you need only to sign in into your account until you see here the admin dashboard. Once you are here, you are going to select the product or click on products. Then you need only to set up the stock. As you can see, we have a lot of products that we have 0 in stock. That means that are out of stock, and only we have one that we have 20 in stock. So once you have set up everything right there, and if you want to modify the inventory, you are going to select here the product, then you are going to see the inventory, and then you are going to set up the available quantity. Once you have did that, you're going to head over the home page, click on the search bar at the top, then we are going to type in CG. Here we are going to click or type in notify me app. This is an app that we are going to search on the Shopify App Store. We're going to open the Shopify App Store, then we are going to here see the app, and here it is. We're going to click on it. So the full name of the app is SG or SG like that, Notify Me Back in Stock. So the price of this app is free, and this is very fortunate. We are going to use it directly with our store by clicking on install. Now we are going to grant and give the permission for the app to be used in our store and also be installed. We're going to close this window. So now we are going to permit the installation by clicking here on install. Then normally we are going to see it pop in right here on the left side app, as you can see. Don't forget to click on pin to your navigation to not forget about it or don't locate it anymore in your app menu. So once you are here, you're going to see the dashboard of the app. Now all we need to do here, as you can see, the first step, see our app menu on the left column and go to the setting, enable buttons pop up to allow this app to place the notify me button on a sold out product page. So we are going to either click on here and it will here open up the Shopify theme editor, or you can go ahead to the settings and click on buttons and pop-ups, and here we have open app embed panel. So we are going to do the same thing. It will take you right there to the Shopify theme editor already. We're going to see it, and here we have it. So you can see that it is popping right here. We have the settings of the app on the app embeds itself. So we can see here the button position settings. You can put it here to the left, to the right, right there. This is highly recommended to put it on the right because it is let right there. So we have the button name or label, which is a notify me here. You can go ahead and modify that. For example, notify me when available, label like that, or notify me, for example, whatever. So here we have the heading color. You can go ahead and put it to the left. You put it here, I think, to the middle, and here we have it. So you can go ahead and put a heading. The heading also is that. So when you click on it, it will notify me when available. So we're going to delete the when available because we have it already on this text area. We're going back right there. So here we have the customization of the button. We have the side button text color like that. Side button color, which is red. We have the heading color, also the subheading. As you can see, we have the email input placeholder, we have the name input placeholder, the button text also, and everything. So now all we need to do is to click on save, and boom. This will only pop in on the sold out items, not for any item. So here we have made it right there. Now the first step is to click on the button. Okay. The second step is to see in the screen that opens, you are going to modify here the text and etc. We have made that already. So here we are going to see the app. I think we're going to add the button, and it is already added, as you can see. So you can use the code below snippet to manually add and notify me in case that you don't have it or you don't find it. So now we are going to click on the online store within the I button, and we are going to see our store. So let's see here for the sale menus or sale product, it will not show right there. Or we are not going to see the notify me button. But we're going to click on another one, and as you can see, this item is sold out, but we have the notify me button. You can go ahead and put your name, email, and then click on notify me. So once you have did that, you are going to click on the buttons right there, or you can go ahead and click on the email template to modify the email how it will be sent. So here you can turn on and off the notification, choose the template you're going to choose. Here we have default and template 1. We have only 2 templates. For the background color, you can go ahead and customize it here in regarding your store colors, like that. For example, it is made from gray. The text, also the name of your shop, will be also right there at the top. Here we have the hello text. It is hello. The name of the, for example, client that has been put on the beginning. We have the product available text is available now, or the item that you have or you've been seeking for is available now. The message, we have also the add to cart button and view the item button and all the labels. When you finish that, you're going to click on save. And with that, we have concluded our tutorial for today for how we can notify the customer about, or the customer how they can get the notification about a product. So thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.